Hi everyone, welcome to Shamel Scheduling demo. Here on our project page, you can start a new project, hit create a schedule, and then upload a script. In 20 seconds, we're breaking down all the scenes to the basic elements, generating a synopsis for every scene, and detecting the different elements from cast, background actors, props, animals, weapons, and so on. We can take a look. We already have our stripboard view with 153 scenes. You can select different strips and move them around. On the right hand side, you have a few extra tools to insert banners or scenes or daybreaks and so on. On the top left, you have a few tools to help you navigate the stripboard and organize it efficiently. Let's do a quick sort by set, and then within that, we'll do exterior and then interior. You can insert daybreaks automatically in 3 different ways. I'll just add 45 days for this project and automatically add it here. You're able to adjust your production dates, and let's say it's gonna shoot next month. You can also exclude dates for holidays and days off. You're also able to change the view of the stripboard, hide or show any columns based on your production needs, and then you can also do a reset. You can also download your stripboard directly from here. If you double click directly on any of the scenes, that will take you to the scene breakdown view, where on the right side you'll see this scene from the script, with the detection of different elements like cast, wardrobe, props, and so on. On the left-hand side, you have your detailed breakdown of that scene. You can adjust any of the tags by just clicking on them directly. And you can add new tags by selecting any of the words. Let's take a look at our day out of days report and our cast view, where you can add more details to your elements and change the dates if needed. You can also manage your elements through our element tool. Let's check our cast, where you can reorganize them. You can merge some elements or renumber or swap their IDs. You can export your reports from Stripboard schedule, shooting schedule, and your day out of days, in addition to exporting to Magic Scheduling and benefiting from all the processing we have in Shamel. For more detailed walkthrough, please check our tutorials for Shamel Scheduling. Thank you.